Hello everyone, welcome into Fatty's Feast, where we make the best food you'll ever eat without leaving your backyard. My name is Josh. Today I'm going to show you how to make a stuffed jalapeno popper burger on the Blackstone griddle. So stuffed burger is a little more intensive than just a regular burger. You can do this as a regular burger, it's just not as good. You want it stuffed, you want it to be like a jalapeno popper. You want it to burn your mouth as soon as you take that first bite. So let's go down to the griddle and we'll get started. Got all my zones on a medium right now. First, I'm gonna throw down some bacon. This isn't a full package, just some I had left over. And I'm not planning on using all this for the burgers. I'm using this for some breakfast this week as well. So you only need a few pieces. Once that's nice and spread out, we can just let that chill. Just gonna try to move these a little closer together. And then what I'll do right in the middle, I'm gonna throw down some jalapenos. And those will just soak in that bacon grease. Now let's work on our burger. I got my Grillaholics burger stuffer. I got some 80-20 ground beef left over from my meatloaf video. If you haven't checked that out, I'll put a link. Take this, press it down. Let's put a little more, get some of this burger off the side. There we go. Once we have a nice crevice in there, we can begin to work. So something like that. I'm just gonna flip my bacon while we're here. As always, I'm going for crispy bacon. And to make it even better, I'll put my press on there. Jalapenos are toasting up nice, right in that bacon grease. Don't mind me, I just got my hands covered in cream cheese. This is not a very efficient way to do this. Look at this mess. Oh my God. I should have just got like normal cream cheese to scoop out of the thing. Why did I get a brick? Look at my hands. Move my press over here to this bacon. And these jalapenos are gonna go right inside this burger patty. Those are nice and laid out. Those are gonna start melting that cream cheese down. Now I'm gonna take some of this bacon, just start mashing it up a little bit, almost like bacon bits. And then we can throw that right inside as well. This thing is gonna be a monstrosity. I'm just gonna try to push this down a little bit. That cream cheese is already melting. Then I'm gonna take some more ground beef, place it right on top. Try to get it into almost a ball, if I can. Seal it all up. I'll take this and press it down. Now let's see what we got. So I'm just looking to see if it's all pressed up. Not really. I can add some more. I'll add some more right there. Add some more right there. As long as there's no bacon really pushing through, which I don't really see, we can throw it on. I'm gonna put this bad boy right here. And then on top, I'll throw my basting cover. And right in the middle here, I'm gonna throw down some onions, and then some butter right here, along with my Kaiser roll. Let's take a look at the burger. Seems to be coming along nicely, sort of splitting at the top, which we didn't want, but it should be okay. Mix up our onions a little bit. We're getting that bacon fat on there. We're not doing too many because we're only making one burger. Buns, getting a nice sear. Look at that, perfect. And this burger is coming along. Now, typically I don't cover burgers when I cook them with my basting cover. The reason I'm doing that is because it's a stuffed burger. We need that extra heat because it's big, it's thick, damn boy, and we need to get that heat in there for it to cook fully through. And really the only way to know it's thoroughly cooked through is with a thermopen or an internal thermometer. All right, let's flip this bad boy. Oh yeah, here we go. Nice sear on that, looking good. In my rush to get this burger on, I forgot to season it. That was a really bad idea on my part. So pepper, as always, and salt. Not sure what that's gonna do now, but we'll see. Buns look nice and toasted, let's take them off. I wanna take an internal temp of this bad boy. It's not done yet, but yeah, see, we're still very, very raw in the middle. So this is gonna take a while. But while we're waiting, let's make our buns. First, I got some horseradish aioli. And we're gonna do a beautiful helping of this on each bun. I'm gonna do some pepper on here, a little bit of salt because the burger might be lacking that. Line this bad boy with some dill pickles, and we can also throw our bed of onions on. Let's take a look at our burger again. It's still not falling apart. which shows how great that product is from Grillaholics, the burger stuffer, right, 84. You know, the middle is gonna be a little cooler. The meat's actually at 104, 102. Cardinal sin, I'm gonna flip it again. Because it's so big, we can do that. It's not really a big deal. And I'm just seasoning this side the same way. And until this is done, we just wait and drink. And one thing to note is I would typically make stuffed burgers on the Old Country Brazos. I really enjoy stuffed burgers that are smoked. I'm also going to do a bacon wrapped stuffed burger video, probably like a bigger version of this. Okay, so when I do that, I'll put a link here, I think. Yeah, here. Let's take a look. Perfect, still. I'm gonna throw some garlic powder on there too, why not? Let's give it one more flip. I'll garlic powder this side as well. Cover, back on. You know what, actually, let's expedite the process a little bit. Some water. All right, let's do one more check. We're good enough. 150, 147-ish, but we're not done. There we go. A few more minutes. Perfect. And onto the bun she goes. Finally, ladies and gentlemen, our burger. Look at this masterpiece. This thing is going to blow the fuck up when we cut into it. Let's do it. Should have gotten some bigger buns. That was my bad. Grand reveal. Oh, look at that. Freaking gorgeous, guys. Look at that. All right, here goes nothing. This thing is gonna be a mess. That's a lot of meat. There's a lot of fucking meat in there, believe me. I knew I brought a napkin earlier because I'm a slob. What a delicious burger. The biggest pain in the ass was the cream cheese, trying to get that spread out. If I could have gotten the spreadable stuff, I would have. I just didn't think of it. But it's pretty evenly spread out throughout. Just there's a lot in the middle, it seems like. Jalapeno is delicious. The bacon, delicious. Every bite is just everything. It was just filling your mouth with goodness. And surprisingly, not seasoning the burger didn't have an effect. Putting the seasoning on after, it tastes fine. Because usually I season the inside of the burger as well because it's so big, but it tastes completely fine. So guys, this took me a little bit of time, you know, a little bit more than if you were just cooking a regular burger. But do you have a family of 4 or whatever and you want to throw these on the Blackstone griddle? These are very simple. It's worth your time, trust me. So I hope you enjoyed this episode of Fatty's Feast. If you did, I would really appreciate it if you smash that like button. It gets my content out to more people. It shows you care and it shows that you love me. Right over here, we'll put a video that's recommended just for you. You'll love it, I guarantee it. Click on it. And then right here, a playlist of me whipping up more burgers on the griddle. Then if you love me so much and you enjoyed today so much, you can subscribe right here. Until next time, everyone, stay safe, stay happy, stay healthy, and stay tuned.